Hey guys, it's me, Pink Haired Cat Toys Box, and I actually all by myself did really good on my slime. First of all, I'll need to clean out my bowl again because I'm going to make another mixture, but this time I'm going to do a different color. I tried to do red, but it turns out kind of pink. I also did a little bitty one from the leftovers that I had. So I have a little bag. I don't have any more little bags like this. I'm going to have to get some more. But anyway, I have been watching a lot of these videos. Plus, my son, he really encouraged me, and he did quite a few of these. And now I'm getting the hang of it. So I bought a lot of this glue, Crazy Art washable glue, and with mine I'm using the shaving cream. I know I don't necessarily have to do that, but it really helps it. It really fluffs it up and makes it feel good and stretchable. And then I added a dab of this stuff, Japanese cherry blossom, to make it not only soft, but it also makes it smell good too. So it's got a great smell to it. So I did that, and as soon as I get the bowl cleaned out a bit, we'll start on making some on a video. My first video, I mean, I've done many videos, but this is my first one that I've done where I'm actually making it. Let's see if we can't, first, I am going to, I'll just hold it up. Here is my, well, here, let me see here. Try to clean this out to like make it brand new. Okay. I put this stuff in this half a cup because basically that's what 4 ounces of bottle of glue is, half a cup. So I pour that in here like so. See how I'm doing that? Fill it all the way up. Fill all the way up, and then that would be, and I still have some left. Okay, then I pour it in this bowl like so. Make sure I get all the glue out. Maybe I need to get one of these sticks. One of these sticks out. One of these sticks out here. All right. Now, I put this Barbasol, shake it up really good. Shake it up. Yeah, shake it up. Okay. You gotta put a bunch of this in. I like to put a bunch. Now, I'm gonna add this stuff, green. This is really my favorite color to add. You get a few squirts here and there. Now, I'm gonna kind of wipe this spoon off a bit. But if it gets a little of the pink, that's okay. Stir it up. Stirring it up. Stirring it up. Stir, 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 stir. Stirring it up. Ooh, I'm stirring it up. Stir, 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 stir. Stirring it up. Yeah. Make sure you get all the color and everything all swirled in here. Like this, you know. So you kind of the color green. Make sure all the white is looking good. Okay, now after that, you start putting a little bit, like everybody was saying. You don't do a whole lot. You do a little drop here, little drop there, little drop there, and then you start stirring it. Now watch. It'll start doing its thing. And once it gets completely off the, you have to keep dabbing it a bit here and there. So we got to do a little bit more. Just do a bit more. It'll get thicker and it'll get wilder and it'll get to where you can pick it up. And I got a whole lot of it. It's pretty awesome. On my first batch, or my first. Okay, once it really gets out of there, I still do a little more dab. It's really looking. Now, it's going to be gooey when you pick it up, for the most part, but you have to play around with it. That's the only way you can do it. But once you play around with it, once you get it really, you got to get as much as you can out of it. Now, this is the fun part, and this is the gooey part. But it's okay. Pick up as much as you can of it, and you just play with it. And it'll start. See, I want you to see. See, it's all gooey on my hands right now. But it'll get ungooey. And then you'll get more and more of it out. Just kind of have to just goo it up, and it's takes a little bit, but it's well worth it. You get the great. I'm making these for my grandkids, so. It takes a little bit. It takes, but you can hum a song. You can do all kinds of stuff. You know, once you get your hand free from stuff, just dip a little bit, get it in there, and it'll soften it up a bit and start really taking the stuff off. Just keep doing that like that, and it'll start getting its. See, it's starting to come off now, and it's starting to get better. And you still get a lot of it out, and still get to play with a lot of it. Just picks it up. It doesn't take long at all. You just play with it like they were saying, and they're absolutely right. And I got a really pretty green color out of this, which is a bit darker, but it's getting now. See, it's getting where it's not so awful on my, off my hands. It's coming off, and you can play with it. And if you want to get it really stretchy and stuff, what you need to do is you're going to need to put a little bit of this cream on it. What you do is let's see, kind of get it sitting down somewhere, maybe right here. Dab a little bit on your hands, not much. And you just kind of swirl your hands around, and you kind of get it like that. And then you'll get some stretchiness out of it. It'll stretch better. And not to mention, smell good. And you're going to hear a lot of popping. I'll have to clean that area up. Okay, see? I want you to see something here. I'll pick up some of this stuff here. I want you to see something here. Still got to do some stretching. Still got to kind of get the, because it's still kind of looking crunkly. You got to play with it a while. You got to really, really play with it. See how it's sinking now? It's kind of growing down. It's getting bigger. Get these little, it'll start. Well, anyway, there you have it. There's slime. Ta-da! Just keep playing with it. That's one of the things I say to do. Keep playing with it. Well, anyway, ta-ta for now.